Hello and welcome to Lightlybow Plays Undertale, Part 5. Last time we fell into the clutches of the Great Papyrus, and several painful puns were administered by Sans. Let's see what this episode has for us. Let's hear. Some narration on his cardboard box. You observe the well-crafted sentry station. Who could have built this, you ponder? I bet it was that very famous royal guardsman. Note, not yet a very famous royal guardsman. I have all my HP back. How do I fight you? My hat's too loud for me to hear you. Icecap also wants a hat for its nose. I don't know how to eat you, sir. Here comes that new clothes smell. You inform Icecap that it has a great hat. I know people like this dude. I honestly don't know how to beat this guy. Icecap. This teen wonders why it isn't named Ice Hat. Where's your hat? It's snowing dandruff. Okay, one more. I was thinking about a certain article of clothing. I'm just gonna flee. I don't know how to defeat him. Absolutely no moving. Did something move? Was it my imagination? I can only see moving things. Thank you for that exposition. If something was moving, for example, a human, I'll make sure it never moves again. Doggo blocks the way! Doggo. Pet. Doggo is too suspicious of your movements. Don't move an inch. Doggo can't seem to find anything. I'm gonna pet you. You pet Doggo. Bark, 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 bark. What? I've been pet? Pet, 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 pop, pet. Doggo has been pet. This is great. Where's that coming from? That would be pretty scary, not gonna lie. Doggo has been pet. You pet Doggo. There's no end to it. Doggo's been pet. Spare him. You won! You earned 0 XP and 30 gold. And that small change. Something pet me. Something that isn't moving. Gonna need some dog treats for this. Someone's been smoking dog treats. No wonder he's weird. That's not exactly what you do with dog treats. Hey. Here's something important to remember. My brother has a very special attack. If you see a blue attack, don't move and it won't hurt you. Here's an easy way to keep it in mind. Imagine a stop sign. When you see a stop sign, you stop, right? Stop signs are red, so imagine a blue stop sign instead. Simple, right? When fighting, think about blue stop signs. Changes it to yellow just to confuse us, but a jokester. Whoa! Okay. North ice, south ice, west ice. East, Snowden Town. And ice. Well, let's go there. You're so lazy. You were napping all night. I think that's called sleeping. Excuses, excuses. Oh, the human arrives. In order to stop you, my brother and I have created some puzzles. I think you will find this one quite shocking. For you see, this is the invisible electricity maze. When you touch the walls of this maze, this orb will administer a hearty zap. Sound like fun? Because the amount of fun you will probably have is actually rather small, I think. Okay, you can go ahead now. Sans, what did you do? I think the human has to hold the orb. Oh, okay. Hold this, please. That's how I hold stuff, apparently. Okay, try now. Incredible, you slippery snail. You solved it so easily. Too easily. However, the next puzzle will not be easy. It is designed by my brother, Sans. You will surely be confounded. I know I am. Yeah. I love how he just slid off frame there. Hey, thanks. My brother seems like he's having fun. By the way, did you see that weird outfit he's wearing? We made that a few weeks ago for a costume party. He hasn't worn anything else since. Keeps calling it his battle body. Man. Isn't my brother cool? I like you, Sans, but I don't trust you. Let's go back here, see if there's... Hello, I am Snowman. I want to see the world, but I cannot move. If you would be so kind, traveler, please take a piece of me and bring it far away. Okay. Thank you, good luck. So that's an item that it could heal me. Or it could not. Hello. It can heal me, but if I eat it, I don't know if that would count as a pacifist run, because I'm eating part of the snowman. I don't understand why these aren't selling. It's the perfect weather for something cold. Oh, customer! Hello. Would you like some ice cream? It's that frozen treat that warms your heart. Now just 15 gold. I'll take a couple. Here you go. Have a super duper day. You got the nice cream. Nice cream is the frozen treat that warms your heart. Get another one. I'm just gonna stock up. Why not? Yes. That's probably enough. Use. You're just great. Your HP was maxed out. That's awesome. Okay. There's like a little hole that I can go put this in. It's shrinking! Really? Melted all the way. Come at it diagonally. That wasn't the right angle, apparently. It's just a little message thing. You know, it's not worth it to me. Call me lazy. What's that? Looks like a snowball. Actually, it's a snowcahedron. Snowdecahedron? Yeah. I've been thinking about selling treats, too. Want some fried snow? It's just 5 gold. Did I say 5 gold? I meant 50 gold. Really, how about 5,000 gold? 5 5,000 gold. That's my final offer. Okay, I'll buy it. What? You don't have the money? Hey, that's okay. I don't have any snow. What a cutie. Smell danger rating. Snow smell, snowman, white rating. Can become yellow rating. Unsuspicious smell, puppy. Blue rating, smell of rolling around. Weird smell, humans. Green rating, destroy at all costs. Green. It's red. Oh gosh, dogs are colorblind. That's really funny. His. Hers. Okay, let us... Human, I hope you're ready for... Sans, where's the puzzle? It's right there, on the ground. Trust me, there's no way they can get past this one. Sans, they didn't even look at it! Whoops. I knew I should have used today's crossword instead. What crossword? I can't believe you said that. In my opinion, Junior Jumble is easily the hardest. What? Really, dude? That's easy peasy word scramble. That's for baby bones. Unbelievable. Human! Solve this dispute! Which is harder? I think crosswords are harder. You two are weird! Crosswords are so easy. It's the same solution every time. I just fill all the boxes in with the letter Z. Because every time I look at a crossword, all I can do is snore! Yeah! There he goes. Papyrus finds difficulty in interesting places. Yesterday he got stumped trying to solve the horoscope. You guys are cute. Knowing the mouse might one day find a way to heat up the spaghetti, it fills you with determination. Save. It's a note from Papyrus. Human! Please enjoy this spaghetti. Little do you know, this spaghetti is a trap, designed to entice you. You'll be so busy eating it, you won't realize that you aren't progressing. Thoroughly japed again by the great Papyrus. Yeah, he signs his laughter. Oh man. He's trying way too hard. The plate of frozen spaghetti. Alright, it's so cold it's stuck to the table. Just like that cheese was. Papyrus. I don't think you understand how life works. Warning, dog marriage. Wouldn't want to interrupt that. Hello. Lesser dog appears. Pet. You barely lifted your hand and Lesser Dog got excited. Ah! He got me. Lesser Dog is barking excitedly. Pet you. If you lightly touch the dog, it's already overexcited. Ugh. Okay. Lesser Dog. Pet you. You pet the dog, it raises its head up to meet your hand. The head just keeps getting higher and higher. Ah, your attacks are really hard to avoid, Lesser Dog. You know what? I'm gonna spare you. Because I want you to spare me. That's how that works. There's a switch hidden in the snow! Tick. Oh, hello. Oh, that was the map. Yeah, but... Oh, I should have eaten that ice cream. What's that smell? Where's that smell? If you're a smell, identify your smell. Here's that weird smell. Makes me want to eliminate. Eliminate you! Doggy, assault you.